students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Today we will read Inkwell, Green Step, Class 5, Chapter 7, Mosquitoes and Malaria. Mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are flying insects that live by sucking the blood of human beings and animals. The body of a mosquito consists of 3 parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. Every mosquito has 2 antennae on its head that works as feelers. The eyes of the mosquito are situated on its head. The head also has a long sucking tube called proboscis. The male mosquitoes use their proboscis to suck nectar and water, while the female mosquitoes suck the blood of animals and human beings with their proboscis to get proteins for laying eggs. Mosquitoes have 3 pairs of legs and a pair of wings which carry many diseases. Germs of various infectious diseases are transmitted by the mosquitoes into the bodies of both human beings and animals. Diseases like malaria, yellow fever, and dengue are spread by mosquitoes. Breeding of mosquitoes. Like microorganisms, mosquitoes also grow faster in warm climate. Therefore, they are found in abundance in the warm regions of the world. A female mosquito lays a large number of eggs at one time in the stagnant water such as ponds, lakes, swamps, uncovered water tanks, coolers, and paddy fields. Stagnant water becomes the breeding ground for mosquitoes. In a short period of time, the larvae hatch out of the eggs. They transform into pupae after some time. A pupa transforms into a mosquito in due course of time. Spreading of malaria. Malaria is a disease caused by the bite of a female Anopheles mosquito. It is spread by the malarial germ. It lives in the blood of a person suffering from malaria. When a female Anopheles mosquito bites a malaria-infected person to suck his or her blood, the malarial germs pass with his or her blood into the mosquito's body. When this mosquito bites a healthy person to suck his or her blood, it unknowingly transmits the malarial germs present in its body to the healthy person. This way, malaria spreads from an infected person to a healthy person. Symptoms of malaria. A person suffering from malaria develops the following symptoms: 1. High fever and shivering. 2. Headache and nausea. 3. Fall in temperature followed by sweating. It is repeated after every 48 to 72 hours. Repeated attacks of malaria often adversely affect the functioning of the liver and spleen. Diagnosis and treatment of malaria. The blood of a sick person showing the above symptoms is examined under a microscope. If the malarial germs are detected in his or her blood, he or she is provided proper treatment. He or she is given anti-malarial medicines such as quinine. We obtain quinine from the bark of cinchona tree. Mosquitoes are responsible for spreading many diseases, including malaria. Hence, to check the spread of diseases, it is necessary to control the breeding of mosquitoes. Note: in 1897, a British doctor named Sir Ronald Ross discovered that the female Anopheles mosquito spreads malaria. In 1902, he was awarded the Nobel Prize for Medicine for his discovery. Anemia, a hidden trouble. What is anemia? Anemia happens when our blood doesn't have enough healthy red cells. Red blood cells are important because they carry oxygen all around our body. When there aren't enough, we feel tired, weak, or dizzy. How can malaria cause anemia? Malaria parasites live inside red blood cells and burst them open. The body also mistakenly destroys many healthy red cells when fighting the infection, sometimes even 10 good cells for every infected one. Plus, the body's factory that makes new red blood cells slows down during malaria. All this together means the child doesn't have enough red blood cells, making them very tired or weak. Why is this important for kids? Malaria is one of the main reasons why children get anemia in places where malaria is common. Sometimes, anemia becomes so serious that children need to go to the hospital. Steps to be taken for avoiding mosquitoes' bites. Since we know that malaria and some other diseases are spread by mosquitoes, we must protect ourselves from mosquitoes. We can adopt the following measures to protect ourselves from mosquito bites. 1. Use mosquito repellent creams or coils. 2. Use a mosquito net. 3. Wear a night dress that fully covers the body. 4. If possible, fix wire nettings on the doors and windows of the house to prevent the mosquitoes from entering the house. 5. Destroy the mosquito eggs at their breeding places. Preventing the breeding of mosquitoes. 1. Spraying DDT or kerosene oil on the surface of ponds and lakes. 2. Removing the standing water from our flower pots to prevent mosquitoes from breeding. 3. Changing the water of our room cooler every day or spraying kerosene oil on this water. 4. Trying to keep our surroundings clean and tidy. So students, I hope you all understand and read this chapter once again and do exercises. Thank you so much.